Hello and welcome back to the MCPL Culinary Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're rocking two favorite recipes, easy breezy hummus pasta and rice noodles with chicken, asparagus, and ginger soy sauce.
First up is our hummus pasta. This dish is totally vegan, and the creaminess of the sauce comes from hummus, thinned out slightly with a little bit of pasta water.
And that's great for me, that there are no nuts in this recipe. Unlike most vegan creamy sauces, they're cashew-based.
Very true, Mom. This dish is also cost-effective, which is a total win-win, win-win.
Next up, we have our make-ahead rice noodle recipe, packed with chicken and asparagus.
This dish can be made in 20 minutes, just 20 minutes, and you can switch up the veggies and protein to suit your family's taste buds or just yours.
And rice noodles are great gluten-free, low-fat, and easy-to-digest carbohydrate source.
That's right. They also provide energy and key minerals like psyllium, which acts as an antioxidant.
And we also have asparagus and chicken in this recipe, which adds even more layers of nutrition.
Yes, it does, Mom. Asparagus provides essential folate, which is important for, baby health, pregnancy, all those things, and just overall cell health.
And a chicken benefit you may not be aware of. Chicken contains choline, and that's a nutrient that's critical for a child's normal brain development. And yes, chicken passes.
And there you have it. More beneficial, easy, and delicious recipes for you and your family to enjoy.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, on Facebook and YouTube.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you
make it count.